What's up, guys? Welcome to Run My Crypto. You need to get out of crypto quick. Get out fast. There's another lawsuit by the SEC. Ripple just went through it. They're probably going to pay a fine. Elon Musk went through his lawsuit with the SEC. He paid a fine. So guess what? Coinbase is most likely going to pay a fine. Binance, on the other hand, I don't know, man. It is what it is, but Binance US might be hit, but I don't know. The United States don't want us to capitalize or make any money or something like that nature. I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but I don't know. You look at FTX collapsed. I don't know. They're just I didn't see no lawsuit come after him. I mean, SEC was all good with it. I don't know. Pockets run deep. But anyways, I'm here not to just cause a bunch of crap. I'm here to talk about what's going on, what the potentials are, what we can look forward to. This is for new investors. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, like and subscribe to Run My Crypto. Drop me a like if you want. If not, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here we go. Let's jump into it, guys.
Suing the company, alleging it was acting as an unregistered broker and demanding that they be, quote, permanently restrained from continuing to do so. The news coming just 24 hours after the SEC sued competitor Binance, which is the world's largest crypto exchange, along with its CEO, CZ, and more than a dozen charges filed. SEC Chair Gary Gensler saying yesterday it's his top priority to protect investors. Listen.
I think there's been clarity for years. The investing public has the benefit of the U.S. securities laws. Crypto should be no different. And these platforms, these intermediaries need to come into compliance and protect the investing public.
Coinbase CEO earlier this morning on Squawk Box defending the company, saying it has always been transparent with the SEC. Listen.
Gensler has statements to Congress saying that he doesn't feel he has the authority to regulate this industry, and we're seeing conflicting statements from the CFTC and the SEC chair, and we even filed a formal petition with the SEC asking them for clarity about a number of points in the law, which they never responded to, and then this Wells notice and a complaint arrives. And so this isn't good for America, it's not good for the industry, obviously, and we now need to go get clarity from the courts.
Investors are shying away. ARC's Kathy Wood notably buying 400,000 shares on the dip, scooping up $21 million worth of the stock, David. And some of the analysts coming out and voicing support for Coinbase as well, saying they're ready for battle. They've been gearing up on the legal side, and they expect this to, be a headwind, but go back eventually to business as usual after some legal proceeding.
See, and there it is, guys. I mean, I'm telling you, this is not something that it's not abnormal. It is a little bit intimidating, especially if you have money involved and you're investing already in crypto. But it's one thing you have to take a stand and understand is that at the end of that clip, you saw Kathy Wood, who's a major player in tech companies, picking up significant amount of Coinbase stock, right? So this is what I was trying to tell you. For all those people that are freaking out, panicking, selling all their holdings, who are probably taking a loss depending on how long they've been holding, people like us are going to pick those up. We're going to buy them. And you got to understand, you got to hold tight, right? Because crypto's not going nowhere. There's too much money in it. Even with this big impact, we'll go and take a look at the market, see what it looks like today. But I can guarantee you, money's coming out, but money's going to be coming back in, and people are going to be buying. I mean, there's whales that are already picking up, accumulating like tons of Shiba Inu. I'm actually looking at Sui, because I seen that it dropped back down about 70-some cents, and that's about where I want to go. I would like it to go a little bit lower before I snatch up another bunch, but all these cryptos are going on sale, so people who have that tough skin and thick skin and understand that their investments are going to reap some rewards in 2025, you know, they're buying and they're getting all this dip. You know, I'm kind of watching to see how low it's gonna go, how many people are gonna FUD out. You know, so I could pick up some extra tokens myself, some extra coins. But here's what I'm trying to tell you: if you're in it, hang tight. Don't let this type of media fool you, because they're shaking you guys out. They're shaking the weak. This is what they want. They want small tokens to collapse. They want to regulate it. They want to do whatever they can to take the hand away from us, right? So don't let go of that gold mine. You know, just think of it as, you know, you got a good investment in your hands. You gotta hold tight, believe in it. If you believe in it, you're gonna make it, and you know you're gonna get your return on investment, and you're gonna look back and say, dang, I should have just held out. Especially if you sold your bag, and then you're gonna try to jump in when the bull market's already in effect, and that coin that you picked up for 30 cents is gonna be worth $3. What are you gonna do at this point? Now you're gonna have to hold on to it. You're going to watch your money increase and decline real quick. And guess what? You're going to sit around for another 2 years or 3 years or whatever the case may be till another bull market comes. And that's what it's going to be. So don't get caught with your pants down, guys. You know, use your head. Understand that this media attention is just to shake those out of their investment. And, you know, that's what it is. All right. So let's take a look at the markets. Alright guys, let's take a look at it. See, after all this crap came out, we're still sitting at a $1 trillion market cap. I told you guys, there's a lot of people that sold out. I mean, we got significant losses, big time red today. BNB took one of the biggest hits. Let's just take a look at BNB, Binance. Oh my god, I love this token too. It's crazy. But, you know, hopefully they pull through and do what they can do. But look at this, right? Let's jump in the 7 days so we could see what this looks like. So 7 days ago, sitting at $304. Look, we took a significant drop down to about 273, even lower at about roughly 256. So you're talking about a $50 drop in Binance. If this thing continues to go down further, I think I'll try to get in a big bag at least, because I know that Binance will pull through. They're not going to go out. They're one of the world's largest centralized exchanges. I know that they may take a blow here or there, but come on, think about it, guys. Think about it. We had an all-time high of about $660, 670. And right now we're sitting at 250. That's almost a steal to me, you know. That's a solid, like, what, 3x if it hits back to its all-time high during the next bull run. So what I'm trying to say is, with all this FUD going on and people selling their bags and people just jumping out of crypto because they have, you know, they're not really educated enough to understand that crypto may be impacted just like it has. But look at everything that crypto's been through in the past the past year or so, right? You had that big FTX collapse, or Luna collapse. You had FTX, you know, all this huge negative impact to the crypto market, and here we are still sitting at $1.1 trillion. Come on. So think about it. Right now, as a new investor, is the perfect time to take advantage of these low costs. These tokens are on sale, is what I like to call it, and which other people like to call it as well. You know, some prices are holding pretty tight. XRP. One thing I wanted to point out with this lawsuit, now that they're going after Binance, is this thing is going to take off. XRP is going to pay their fine, whatever the case may be. They're going to settle out, and this thing is going to skyrocket. And if you're not in agreement with that, go ahead and drop a comment. and let me know what you think. But I can tell you what, this right here, you're never going to see it again after this coming year. I guarantee it. You won't see XRP at 50 cents ever again. This is going to be the last time you see it at 50 cents. All right. So, like I said, with this FUD, with people selling out, I think it's the best opportunity for you new investors to jump in and just, build up your portfolio if you can't. Dollar cost average. Here's another thing that I would like to point out is, if you're watching the markets and you got money aside, don't rush into it. What you want to do is kind of look at your 7-day, kind of see what the market's doing. A little up, obviously a drop down, going up, going down. Make sure you get your price points right. So if you're a little high and you start to see a pattern of some drops, those are generally in waves, and you want a dollar cost average or buy into the lowest point you can. So if you're watching charts and you see an uptrend, something like this right here, you see an uptrend, don't want to buy in these areas. You want to wait till it starts to correct or pull back and you get that low again, and that's when you hit that low is when you want to buy in or DCA into, is when you could get more bang for your buck, right? So for example, if you bought in up here, this is about 52 cents a token or coin, and then if you go down here, it's about a cent. But anyway, I mean, it's not too crazy, but anyways, you want to try to get the lowest, find it on, shop around. Just be patient, wait till it hits that lowest point, then jump in, and then keep watching it, and then if you got another opportunity when it hits some lows areas like that, jump in again. And that's how you get more bang for your buck. Or just play it safe and dollar cost average on a consistent basis and build your portfolio that way. All right, guys, in closing, I just wanted to just cover some of the basics, man. It's like right now there's tremendous buying opportunity going on, basically because Binance and Coinbase is being sued. So this is going to drive people to get fearful and think that they're going to lose all their investments that they currently have. So you're going to see some significant dumping. But if you understand how to watch all the transactions and different purchases that are being bought on the blockchain, you'll see that whales are purchasing Ethereum right now. They're purchasing Shiba Inu. They're picking up everything, pretty much what everybody's dumping. Smart people are picking up because they know that crypto's not going nowhere, and they're going to reap all the benefits that you could have had. And don't be that person that regrets not holding on to your bag, because you worked pretty damn hard to build it. So don't throw it away because of a little bit of fear. You always have to understand that the world works the way it does, and you have to believe, and you have to hold on, you have to hold strong. All right, I hope you guys love this video. Please drop me a like, subscribe if you can. If you want to hear or see more videos like this, I'd appreciate it. You guys take care, be blessed always. All right, guys, in closing, I just wanted to just cover some of the basis, man. It's like right now there's tremendous buying opportunity going on, basically because Binance and Coinbase is being sued. So this is going to drive people to get fearful and think that they're going to lose all their investments that they currently have. So you're going to see some significant dumping. But if you understand how to watch all the transactions and different purchases that are being that are being bought on the blockchain, you'll see that whales are purchasing Ethereum right now. They're purchasing Shiba Inu. They're picking up everything, pretty much what everybody's dumping. Smart people are picking up because they know that crypto's not going nowhere, and they're going to reap all the benefits that you could have had. And don't be that person that regrets not holding on to your bag, because you worked pretty damn hard to build it. So don't throw it away because of a little bit of fear. You always have to understand that the world works the way it does, and you have to believe, and you have to hold on, you have to hold strong. All right, I hope you guys love this video. Please drop me a like, subscribe if you can. If you want to hear or see more videos like this, I'd appreciate it. You guys take care, be blessed always.